This Toyota Hilux has only 13,000 kilometers on the clock and it's completely rusted underneath. And the worst part of it, it could be avoided. So if we had done this Hilux in the beginning, when it was brand new, it would cost maybe half the price and half the work. And now we have the rust and we're going to stabilize and stop the rust, but it will not be completely gone. And that is something very important to understand. We always try that customers come back every, I would say, 1 or 2 years, that we can check it on the condition. If the car was used and had rust, so we can always check it. Also with new cars, it's always better to come by every 2 years, every 1 year, depending how much you drive a car. So if you want the rust to be gone completely, then you should go for restoration basically. Then we have to take everything apart. The chassis should be sandblasted, zinc coated, powder coated. But then we're going to go to a very different price level than what we are doing right now. So that's a big difference of stabilizing rust and completely removing rust. I very often say to people that when they buy a brand new car, they should come immediately to us and let us protect it. So when the car is brand new, it is a lot easier and faster and especially cheaper when we do it directly. And when it is rusted, just like this Hilux, the whole thing becomes slow and expensive and it will never be perfect again. So remember, prevention is always better than repair. So we stopped the rust of the Hilux, all the welding, they were completely rusted. All the edges of the frame, they were all started to rust. We stopped the rust now. So for everyone who just ordered a brand new car, come to us directly and that will save you a lot of headaches and money eventually. So the owner of this beautiful Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series is much smarter. This is a brand new car and we are now going to protect it. So this car is brand new. I'm going to put it on the lift because we discovered something you don't expect from a new car. So the Land Cruiser is on the lift and you can see here all the rust issues it already has. And mostly rust starts with all the edges of the frame, but also on all the welding. And these are the first spots where they start rusting first. And obviously this is only very minor, but we saw that with the Hilux this week as well. This minor stuff becomes a very big stuff. And at the end, it will look like something like we have up here. It's already completely treated now, but everything was basically rusted away and also needed welding. And that we want to avoid. So we are now going to clean the underbody of the Hilux. It is brand new, but it's a bit dusty, and so we're going to clean it and degrease it before the wax comes on. So that is what we're going to do. And when it's ready, I'm going to take you underneath the car and show you how it looks like after production. we treated all the rust, and that means we completely sand it as far as we can to complete clear metal, and then we're going to make sure when there was still rust that we stabilize it with the rust stop, and then we're going to put a primer on, and in this case with the chassis we're going to paint it black again so it looks like nothing really happened. And a few layers of wax to protect it really well, and then we have different grease for the hole spaces to protect that as well. So that is what we did, and now this beautiful car is now protected for many years, and also the Hilux is now protected for many years as well. And for both these cases we always recommend for the people to come back every year or two that we can check and clean the underbody so you can keep it the way it is. That's the same of going to the dentist every year. You should always maintain your underbody as well as your teeth. Is exactly the same stuff, so always recommend that people clean their underbody and we control if there's any rust coming or not. And therefore we also always use any clear protection, so if it really starts rusting we can see that, so we don't use any brown or black underbody coating, because in that case it will start rusting. You don't see that, you only see it when it's really too late. So the reason why it is rusting for a brand new car is not because Toyota builds bad cars, it's basically only that manufacturers these days go for minimal or no protection at all. The car is fine, but the protection level is non-existent actually. And in this case I could understand, because the 70 series is mostly built for Arab countries like the Middle East, and they probably always drive through the desert, and they're not built to go to the Netherlands. We can actually not order them in the Netherlands. There are companies that import them, as the company where we work for as well, but they are not built for the Netherlands, and therefore it could also be that they not protect these cars. And also a big reason why this brand new car is rusting is that these cars come on a ship, and with all the salt water, a few days, weeks, maybe how long, I don't know, and it will suffer a lot. So that's the main reason why these new cars tend to rust when they arrive here in Europe. So therefore all these cars should be protected, and you should not drive even 1,000 kilometers because it will go wrong, definitely. So all these cars should be protected. So we just saw how this beautiful 70 series is protected from underneath, and now it's waiting to be picked up. It's completely finished. But these Hilux, I really like them as something. I mean, they are very old school looking, as some kind of G-Class vibe to it. Definitely the Toyota text on the back is really cool. I mean, these cars are not really complicated. They are very simple, very strong, built to last forever basically. And in the past these always had diesel engines, but I don't know how these engines are actually now, but for emissions they have to now petrol engines, at least for markets like here in the Netherlands. We can't get the diesel engines anymore legal in our country, so they all have to order the petrol ones. This is what the newer model is, a bit higher and a bit complete other front. I really love it. I mean, these cars, I don't believe you have many options. I believe they put other wheels and other tires on it, and also the interior, I'm not completely sure if that's an option or that they built that into this. So these seats with Alcantara, I don't think that you can order them from factory, but I'm not completely sure for that. And these are now quite luxury. In the beginning of my career we had these also, and these were much basic in the past, and now they also have automatic gearbox, and they even a wooden steering wheel, so they get much luxurious over time, but still is a very basic car, not complicated at all. And I believe you can also not choose many colors. I see them in beige and white, and that's basically it, I believe. You can also a double cabin and a complete closed version. This is the pickup one, and as I just said, they mostly drive these in the Middle East, where they are perfect. And now here as well, they are very strong built cars. So the cool Toyota text, so we have the V6 petrol engine in this case, and obviously 4-wheel drive. And the owner of this one also put bed liner here. Normally this is just in color, and the bed liner is sort of paint that gets really hard. It's very sturdy and very strong, and always recommend for people doing this if you have a pickup, because if you're gonna throw things in the back, if it is just normal paint, that will also start to rust very quickly as well. So guys, thank you for watching for this Toyota content today, and I hope you liked this video. And if you have a car that has rust, come to us, we can help you. Hope you liked this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.